Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What is the topic? Today, we are going to talk about transformation process by using a simple example. A transformation is basically a process, is a series of steps that converts raw materials or inputs into finished products. Let's understand by an example. Imagine you're baking a cake. You need flour, eggs, sugar, milk, butter. You mix all the ingredients together. You pour the batter into a pan. You bake it in the oven. Finally, you will get a delicious cake. In the business also it is same. Inputs are raw materials is like wood for a table. Labor are the workers. Machines are like tools to make the table. Information is like design plans, customer orders. Transformation process is the workers use the machines to cut and shape the wood. They assemble the pieces together. They will paint it and finish the table. Output is a table that's ready to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys understand well. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.